Hey everyone! Are you ready to upgrade your home with some amazing IKEA finds? Today, I'm sharing some incredible pieces that'll make your space more stylish, functional, and cozy than ever. And don't worry, I've got you covered. All the product links are right below in the description, so let's get started. The GROERYD utility cart is here to make your life easier while looking absolutely stunning. Its sleek bronze-colored frame and tempered glass shelves are not only elegant but also super practical. Whether you need extra space in your kitchen, a mobile drink station in your living room, or a chic organizer in your office, this cart has got you covered. Organizing your fridge and pantry has never been this easy. The FILFISK resealable bags are the ultimate kitchen heroes, keeping your food fresh and your shelves tidy. Coming in 3 handy sizes and fun, colorful designs, they're perfect for everything from leftovers and snacks to fruit and packed lunches. And here's the best part, they're microwave safe, just remove the clip, reusable, and dishwasher safe. That's right, you can use them again and again. The clear window lets you see what's inside in an instant, so no more guessing. Whether it's a quick snack or a full-on meal prep, FILFISK is ready to make your life simpler. Say goodbye to messy pantries and stale food with the ÖRINGABBORRE sealing clips. This set of 9 colorful clips is an absolute must-have for any home. Whether you're sealing snacks, coffee bags, or frozen veggies, these clips will keep everything fresh and protected. They come in different sizes to handle both small and large bags, and the folding handles make them compact and easy to store. Plus, they're designed with small holes so you can hang them on a hook. Transform your space with the RUDSTA glass door cabinet, the ultimate blend of beauty and function. This anthracite masterpiece isn't just for storage. It's a display for your most cherished items. The shelves are perfect for showcasing your treasures, while the magnetic back panel lets you pin up photos, notes, and drawings, adding a personal touch that's all your own. It's designed with adjustable feet for stability on uneven floors and is prepped for cable management, so you can add lighting for a dramatic, stylish effect. The VITTSJÖ coffee table, a piece that's as functional as it is stylish. This beauty features a clean, minimal design that brings an open and airy vibe to your living room. Its tempered glass top is not only sleek but also stain-resistant and super easy to clean. No more stressing over spills. And the adjustable feet? Total game changer. It stands firm on uneven floors like a pro. It's modern, practical, and so chic. You're going to love it. Now let's set the table with the PARADISISK side plate. This gem brings a touch of traditional charm with its beautifully patterned rim. It's the perfect size for side dishes, desserts, or even a quick snack. And while it looks like classic porcelain, it's actually made of tempered glass, making it lighter, more durable, and easy on the wallet. Plus, it's super resistant to sudden temperature changes. Pair that gorgeous plate with the PARADISISK bowl. Designed with the same stunning patterned rim, this bowl is a perfect mix of style and practicality. It's off-white for a timeless, elegant look, and like the plate, it's made from durable tempered glass. This means it's ready to tackle hot soups, crunchy snacks, or your favorite desserts without breaking a sweat. It's light, easy to handle, and built to last. If you're looking to create a table setting that's both beautiful and functional, the PARADISISK bowl is a must-have. Next, meet your new kitchen hero, the ÖVERMÄTT food cover set. This set of 3 silicone covers is a lifesaver for those moments when you can't find a lid. They're flexible, reusable, and fit almost anything: jars, bowls, fruit, veggies, you name it. They're designed to keep your food fresh and drinks spill-free, making them perfect for both storage and on-the-go use. And the best part? They're dishwasher safe, so cleanup is a breeze. Say goodbye to single-use plastic wraps and hello to ÖVERMÄTT, the eco-friendly solution your kitchen needs. And finally, let's talk about the show-stopping FRÖTORP coffee table. This round table combines different materials and finishes to create a look that's both dynamic and timeless. It features a smoked glass top, sleek powder-coated steel legs, and a marble effect base that adds just the right touch of luxury. The design is versatile. Use it as a coffee table, side table, or even combine it with smaller tables for a custom setup. Its solid construction and bold style make it more than just a table. It's a statement piece. let me introduce you to the FLIGHöjd table lamp, a piece that's so much more than just a lamp. This is about setting the perfect mood. With its timeless brass base and soft beige shade, it's got that classic elegant vibe that blends seamlessly into a traditional home. The light it gives off, absolutely cozy. Next on the list is the Storsint carafe, a true work of art. Every single one of these carafes is mouth-blown by a skilled artisan, which means no two are exactly alike. How cool is that? Whether you're pouring wine for that perfect evening or serving water in style at dinner, this carafe makes everything feel extra special. Its sleek, clear glass design looks so chic on any table and fits seamlessly into any occasion. And now let's talk about the ÖRINGABBORRE cake stand. This is not your average cake stand, it's a showstopper. The clear glass base and beautifully designed lid make everything you place on it look like a masterpiece. From cakes to pastries, cheeses, or even your favorite decor pieces, this stand elevates everything to the next level of festivity. And that lid? Pure genius. It keeps dust and flies away, so your delicious treats stay fresh and perfect for any occasion. Birthdays, holidays, or just a regular day when you feel like celebrating life, the ÖRINGABBORRE makes every moment feel a little more magical. Transform your plants and your home with the Chiafrön plant pot. Its unique, tactile surface with a charming pattern doesn't just hold your plants, it highlights their natural beauty. Perfect for both indoor and outdoor use, this durable stoneware pot is frost-resistant, so it can handle the cold if emptied or covered. Looking for stylish and functional storage? Meet the RUDSTA basket, a hand-braided masterpiece crafted from durable bamboo. This basket isn't just for organizing, it's a statement piece that adds warmth and character to your home. Perfect for storing blankets by the sofa, towels in the bathroom, or even magazines by your favorite chair, it's lightweight yet incredibly sturdy. Its natural bamboo material develops a unique color and personality over time, adding a timeless charm to any space. There's nothing better than wrapping up in a soft, cozy throw, and the clip-oxel throw is here to deliver. This fluffy, lightweight blanket features a luxurious, brushed surface that feels as soft as mohair, while the gray turquoise color adds a pop of elegance to any setting. It's perfect for keeping warm on chilly nights or draping over a sofa for a touch of texture and style. Made from recycled polyester, it's not only durable but also sustainable. That's it for today's list of fabulous IKEA finds. From timeless lighting to practical and stylish storage solutions, these pieces prove that upgrading your home can be easy, affordable, and oh so beautiful. Which product was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And remember, all the links are in the description, so you can grab these gems for your own home right away. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more amazing home inspiration. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.